I'm Eli Baumstark here with GNN to show you an easy pizza recipe that you can do at home. The key to a good pizza is the crust. Here's what's in ours. 1 cup of flour, 1 packet of yeast, 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 2/3 cup of very warm water, and 3 tablespoons of oil. First, mix your dry ingredients. I like to start with the flour and then the yeast, but it really doesn't matter what order you go in. Here's the sugar and the salt. Then you mix it up with the fork. And then add your wet ingredients. Water, and then oil, and then start to mix. Right now you have a very wet dough ball. To remedy this, we're going to add flour until it becomes like a nice non-sticky consistency. So you just add, sprinkle it on top. Oh, that's a little too much, but that's okay. You need flour anyway. Mix it in like this with your hands. Really knead it until it doesn't stick to your hands. A little bit of flour is not, doesn't ever hurt anybody. Here we have the completed kneaded dough. It's in this nice little round shape at the bottom of the bowl. We're ready to stretch it onto the pan. It doesn't really matter if it doesn't cover the whole pan. You don't want it to be too thin. But take it, put it in the middle of your greased pizza pan, and just start spreading it out like this. All right, last step. The pizza's ready to be sauced and cheesed and toppings. We're just gonna stick with cheese, but you can put any topping on there you want. You can use any tomato sauce, red sauce. I like pizza sauce, but here you just put it on the pizza and spread it out. I like a little bit more sauce than most people, so I put a little extra on there, but it's really up to you. And then you just want to spread it out evenly along the edges and just get all the way out there. As you can see, this is a lot of pizza sauce, but that's just how I like it. Once you've gotten to a good amount that you're happy with, you can get some mozzarella, which is I like, but I mean, you can use whatever cheese you want. You just want to spread it out evenly along the pizza. Don't be afraid to put a lot on there. It is what makes the pizza. All right, looks like it's ready to go. Looks like it's ready. That looks delicious.